Euro USD daily forecast for Monday the 12th of June 2023. This is the daily chart. We are bullish. We can see this is the breakout structure. After the breakout structure, we can expect a pullback. We have pulled back to this demand zone, and after that we've had a bullish chalk, and we are looking at price continuing the bullish trend, and maybe we are now ready to take out this weak swing high. There is a daily supply over here, so we can expect when price comes here to kind of come back, but right now I'm expecting that perhaps price is going to continue and get into this zone, so I will be looking for longs as far as the session is concerned. On the 4-hour, we are obviously bullish. We had a breakout structure, pull back. We've again had a breakout structure. We're kind of pulling back, and we are, I think, already at EQ. No, we're still above that. So we will wait for price to kind of come down further, at least cross this, unless there's a very strong bullish indicator or bullish indication. But I would prefer price to come down to discount levels below the EQ and then look for longs. That's as far as the 4-hour is concerned. On the 1-hour, we have these zones here. So we've just kind of, I think, tapped in here. Of course, this is pre-London. We are at about 4 o'clock. A lot will change once London opens. But this is some kind of not the greatest of demands, but a zone which has well swept some liquidity, and we can expect at least a reaction from here, which we'll probably see. And there's another demand zone here, and price could come down here and go from here, or this is the extreme, the most preferred. So but yeah, I'll be favoring longs, looking for longs mostly. Moving on to the 15-minute chart, we're obviously bullish. I think I can get my pretty circle and mark this as this high as the bullish swing high for this leg, and we've kind of pulled down to the discount. Yes. So yeah, so probably I would maybe prefer that price kind of comes into this zone and then kind of goes up, but we can also see that there's a lot of liquidity that has been swept right now. So under all these relatively equal highs, this is what is all the buy side liquidity resting here. And if I wanted to kind of trade, I would mark this as the PBL, or the point before liquidation, and this is the supply that caused this liquidity to be taken. So price has come down, grabbed all this liquidity, and I would wait for this PBL to fail, and once it fails and we also have the chalk, then I'll look for longs. So what I'm expecting is that price goes from here, comes into this PBL, it perhaps reacts, and then it kind of breaks this, and then when it comes down here, that's where I'll look for getting long. So I would expect that perhaps there is a this would be my zone that I'll look for, a demand zone from where I would look for getting long. So yeah, so this is my outlook. I'll look for longs. I'll wait. If this PBL fails, price reacts, goes, we get a chalk, then price retraces, pull back, and that's where I enter. This is the ideal scenario for me. Of course, price doesn't have to do anything of this sort. It'll do what it has to do, and I will react to whatever it does.